Welcome to today's special video. We're diving into the heart-stopping moments where a single error can lead to disaster. Buckle up as we explore the speed and crucial importance of caution on dangerous roads. Prepare for a thrilling ride. We need stricter penalties for running red lights, because just a moment of recklessness can lead to unimaginable consequences. That was a heart-stopping moment, and kind of funny too. Luckily, he was quick-thinking enough to raise the barrier just in time. Otherwise, the consequences would have been terrible. That container truck driver was way too reckless. It wouldn't have taken much time to stop, but he chose to risk it all crossing the tracks, and almost paid a lifetime of regret. That moment of losing control on the slippery, snowy road was terrifying. The driver was helpless, just watching the car slide away. It's crucial to slow down at intersections. Just a bit of carelessness or speeding can make this place a hotspot for unfortunate accidents. That Lamborghini owner must be crying his eyes out right now. Hopefully, he got insurance. Otherwise, this shock will be worse than the crash. That's a scary sight. Always yield to police cars because every second they save could be someone's lifeline. Don't let your small delay cause a big problem. That van driver's lack of attention landed him in a difficult spot. Thankfully, everyone is safe after the crash. Oh my goodness, a horrific collision with the train. Everyone was helpless to stop it. Please always be careful when crossing train tracks. That car is sliding down that slippery slope like a curling stone, headed for the target. Too bad this isn't a sport, it's a real dangerous situation. I have no idea what those two guys were thinking, risking their lives by driving their motorcycles on the train tracks like that. Always follow the rules when going through tunnels. Height limits are there for a reason. Don't deliberately violate them if you don't want a regretful outcome. It looks like the container truck driver missed the car in their blind spot and changed lanes anyway, causing a dangerous situation. Luckily, there wasn't any serious damage. Those two girls pulled off an amazing deception, leaving the driver standing there clueless. On a crowded highway, staying focused and keeping a safe distance is absolutely crucial. Even a moment of distraction can lead to unpredictable consequences. Wow, what an incredible moment. The plane had to make an emergency landing right on the street due to a malfunction. Thankfully, the pilot handled it with incredible composure, avoiding any unfortunate collisions. That guy was incredibly lucky the tree only fell to the edge of the road. Otherwise, the consequences could have been catastrophic. Does that guy think trains can just stop instantly or something? This has to be the cleanest car wash he's ever had. He struggled to get up that hill, and now he's back to square one, loading all that bamboo again. Oh my goodness! An accident occurred due to carelessness in not securing the pipe. Fortunately, everyone is all right.
29, that's 800-330-2929, 800-330-29. Whatever you do, don't buy an engagement ring.
Always ensure your safety before crossing the road, because not everyone is willing to yield to you. Changing lanes requires sufficient space and a gradual maneuver, not a reckless cutoff like this guy. At first glance, it looked like he was taking a corner in some intense off-road race. Wow, he was incredibly reckless. Another second, and something awful would have happened. When merging onto the highway, yielding to vehicles already on the main lane is a crucial safety rule. Unfortunately, this guy ignored that, and the result was an avoidable collision. You're probably thinking these four cars are connected, right? But the truth might surprise you. A sudden brake from the car ahead and not keeping a safe distance means a collision is almost inevitable.
Oh my.
This is a perfect example of how an inexperienced driver handles a situation. The driver tried to push it to the limit to win, but sadly, he was completely unable to tame this beast with its massive engine. In China, they're using dump trucks loaded with rocks and just pushing them straight into the dam breaches to fix them as quickly as possible. It's a bold but effective method. Look at those ducks casually crossing the road, while a long line of cars patiently waits. They're definitely the VIPs of the street today.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
The driver fell asleep at the wheel, sending the car careening down the road uncontrolled. Luckily, it didn't hit anyone, and he only suffered minor injuries. Just because they didn't secure that refrigerator properly, an accident almost happened when it fell onto the road, endangering the cars behind. A lesson learned the hard way. Never mess around with trains. Just a moment of carelessness can lead to catastrophic consequences. He went into that corner at an insane speed, making the car completely uncontrollable. And now, a crash was inevitable.
First of all, I'll leave you statistics of me. I feel like this needs to cover AAR.
Don't think heavy cargo doesn't need to be secured. Look at this guy. The entire load fell off his truck, causing a massive traffic jam. You must absolutely comply with railway safety corridors. Those regulations aren't just for show. They're to protect you and everyone around you. This is how the Chinese transport cars long distances. It looks like a giant kid's stacking game. I wonder if they're worried about scratches or damage. Don't be reckless and try to beat a train. This is reality, not a video game, and there's no reset button for mistakes. He paid a hefty price for that risky lane change. Thankfully, everyone walked away from the crash unharmed.
Oh my God!
Are you okay?
Roll over. Guy hit me real hard.
Wow, a severe traffic light failure left a line of cars stuck on the train tracks. Thankfully, there were no casualties, but this is a huge lesson for traffic signal operation. That trailer just did something unbelievable. Even the driver was probably surprised. Thank God. He escaped by a hair's breadth. It's truly a miracle. That was a scary sight. Unfortunately, the truck driver wasn't so lucky. Always check your brakes before driving. You never know when you'll need to stop quickly. Oh my God, that was a 100-point drift from this guy. If he hadn't reacted that quickly, the consequences would have been terrible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the content useful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our exciting upcoming videos. See you in the next video.